Hello everyone, this is Max from Developer Websites, and in this video I want to show how to edit the template for collections, and slash products pages. It was a bit confused for me, but I found the way, so stay tuned. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, and remember, best way to say thank you for this video is leave donations with the link in the description in this video. Okay, let's start. So we should go to the editor. Let me show how I went here. So go to the online store, themes, and click customize. Now you should select from the drop down right here the collection list. Collections list page is actually your slash collections and slash products pages. So if you want to show all products on your slash products, which is pretty cool for SEO, looks nice, just edit collections list page, and you should see everything as it should be. So let's add some heading here, right like this, image and text. Okay, nice. Click save and let's see how it works. Should be okay. Right, we have image and text. Okay, if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe. If it was not helpful, let me know your questions and I will create personal tutorial for you. Thanks for watching, don't forget about donations and have a nice day. Bye bye.